Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Sandra Mid. I trying to make another Minecraft. So today we are back in Min- Minecraft Seed Review, and this is part 2. So this Seed 2 is called Big Village with Villager Outpost. Post. And the seed was huge villages. So, nakita na ako lang niya sa YouTube lang. Pangalan niya is MCPE. And, well, ano siya guys, ang available niyang version niya is 1.12 lang. Pero, I don't think itry natin siya sa 1.11.0.8. So, yeah. So, let's review it. So, natadali ko na sa spawn point, okay? And natin sa description ang seed and coordinates. Yeah, so teleport na sa iyong coordinates kay negative 1208 anything y position or nandun lang, then negative 776, then click teleport. Oh, okay, so that there is a builder post. Oh, which is legit siya. Oh, well, ano na siya, hindi siya big, ano lang, big village, pero parang lang siya ni big mountains ang dyan, ano, you can see big mountains, pero ano lang siya, so nice village lang, ano, so yeah, pero di na siya big village lang, so wala siya kalaw lang for nice, no, like, yeah, yan, okay, so yeah, so the village, then doon na kayo kayo kalimutan natin, no, yeah, okay, so siguro pwede na yata pang speedrun niya. Kaya doon naman kayong pinadrag post. Yeah, so okay, so that's for seed review for part 2. So then please like my morning video para nag pro para gusto ang video, and subscribe kung amazing mo, and then I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.